Okay, we're starting out. So I'm going to be teacher and you're going to be listening, okay?
Okay.
No talking. Hi, my name is Azad Ahmed and I am a tutor for the LLQP and CSC and PFP. Just to let you know, my name is Azad Ahmed and I am qualified with an MBA, MSc, I've done my CSC, CPH, LLQP, and the PFP. My email address is hannan189@yahoo.ca and my cell phone number is 647-292-8786. So today we're going to be talking about the non-forfeiture options for life insurance. So non-forfeiture options, basically what we're talking about is what happens if an insurance policy is forfeited or it is cancelled by a person if he does not pay the premiums. So there are four options which the person will decide at the start when he takes the policy. And the memory aid for that is CARE, C-A-R-E, is CARE. So with CARE, the first is cash. So if the person cancels a life insurance policy, they can take the cash, that is the cash surrender value. The cash surrender value is what he is entitled to, and this can be more, well, I'm sorry, it can be more. It can be equal or less than the cash value, because the cash value is the value of all the investment in the policy. So the cash surrender value can be less than or equal to the cash value. It cannot be more. The cash value depends on how much the person has put into the investment account. This also is the account value. It's also called account value or cash value. So when he surrenders the policy, he can get that cash. The policy is finished. There's no more coverage and it's finished. The second is automatic premium loan. So this means that in the cash value there is certain dollar figure amount, and if the person does not pay the premium, then it will be taken from the cash value automatically every month. So if the person has, suppose there are $2,000 in the cash value in a life insurance, in a universal life policy, and he does not pay the premium for, suppose, for 1 month, after 31 days, that is the grace period. When the grace period finishes, then after that the APL will start. So the APL will be automatic premium loan, that is, it will be automatically taken from here. In other words, if it's monthly, suppose $30 per month is the cost of insurance, that is the cost to keep the policy going, then it will take that $30, the company will take the $30 automatically from his $2,000, and this will keep going until the cash value becomes zero. So it could be 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and then the policy will lapse. So this gives some time for the person, if he is able to start making the payments again, the universal life policy will continue. The third is reduced paid up. So if this was an insurance policy for, suppose, $250,000 life insurance, universal life policy, and he had this option, reduced paid up. So what would happen if he does not pay the policy premium after 31 days? What happens is the company will say, okay, that's it, no problem. Now we reduce it to, suppose, $130,000 is now the life insurance face amount, that is the coverage, and this will be paid up. There will be no more premiums required to keep the policy going, and therefore this will be a whole life, universal life policy. So it just reduces the total face amount and it is paid up. The third and last is extended term insurance. With extended term insurance, what happens is that the company says, okay, this is a $250,000 whole life policy, universal life policy. Now we're converting it to a term policy. We are going to buy a term policy that we can buy with your existing cash value. So if the cash value, if there's $2,000 there, then they'll say, okay, with $2,000, this is your age, this is, you know, your situation. We are going to buy a term policy for you. This will go on, for example, maybe say 15 years. So it's a term policy now. It's going to be, coverage is limited now for time period, but the coverage is going to be the same. It's still going to be a $250,000 policy, but it will finish as soon as it will only buy that term policy up to the time it is available to buy it from the cash value. So in this way, then after the 15 years, if the person dies within the 15 years, the estate, the beneficiary, will get the $250,000. If the person dies after the 15 years, then the estate or the beneficiary gets zero. So this is just a summary of the non-forfeiture options in universal life policy. Thank you very much.